Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another episode where we break down the essentials of managing your digital assets. Today, we're tackling a common query. How do you transfer Ethereum, ETH, from Coinbase to your Coinbase wallet in 2025? With the crypto world evolving rapidly, this process has gotten even more user-friendly, but we'll walk you through it step by step to ensure you do it safely and efficiently. Why bother? Well, moving your ETH to a personal wallet gives you more control and security over your funds, away from exchange custody. First things first, make sure you have both a Coinbase account and a Coinbase wallet set up. If you don't, download the Coinbase Wallet app from your App Store and create one. It's quick and free. Now, log into your Coinbase account via the website or mobile app. Once you're in, head over to your dashboard and locate your ETH balance. It should be under your assets list, easy to spot. Next, click on your ETH holding to open the details. Look for the Send or Transfer button. Depending on the interface in 2025, it might be even more intuitive. When you select it, you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address. Here's the crucial part. Copy the wallet address from your Coinbase Wallet app. Double-check it to avoid any mishaps. One wrong character could send your ETH to the wrong place. Enter the amount of ETH you want to transfer, and don't forget to review any network fees. In 2025, fees might be lower thanks to advancements like Ethereum 3.0, but always confirm before proceeding. Hit Confirm and authorize the transaction. You might need to verify via email, SMS, or two-factor authentication for added security. Once the transfer is initiated, give it a few minutes to process. You can track the status in your Coinbase transaction history. To confirm it's arrived, open your Coinbase Wallet app and refresh your balance. Voila, your ETH should be there. A few quick tips. Always use the official apps to minimize risks, keep an eye on gas fees, and never share your private keys. If you run into any issues, Coinbase's support is usually top-notch. There you have it, folks, transferring ETH has never been simpler. If this helped you out, hit that like button. Subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto savvy.